Here's a free screen recording tool at freescreenrecording.com. This tool works great for easily recording tutorials, demos, lectures, and even gameplays. There are no watermarks, no trial limits or time limits. This is an absolutely free software. Some of the cool features include: select the recording area, record your voiceover, record system sounds, and highlight your mouse. Here's how it works. Select new recording. You can record your entire screen or just a portion of it. The recording quality is good at 720p. You can choose to record your microphone or sounds from the computer. After recording, there are basic editing features that you can use to trim your video, remove noise, and more. You can then save the video file or even upload to YouTube directly. Best of all, the screen recording tool is free to use. Link to download this free screen recording tool is below if you are interested. Thanks for viewing.